Hi everyone, my name is Frank Zach. I am a Neiman Marcus associate. I also work in the restaurant offices for Neiman Marcus. I am their beverage director. I get to bring all of those fun cocktails to the menu and then of course to you. And while everybody is practicing social distancing, we're all looking for a fun way to share a cocktail with friends virtually. Let's look at one today. Today I will be making a Guavarita, which is a margarita with a little bit of guava puree in it, as we focus on the fresh produce through the spring and the summer months. Across the country in any restaurant, a margarita is the most consumed cocktail anywhere you will find. Typically margaritas include a store-bought mix to get that sourness and sweetness into the drink. It also has a touch of syrup and or liqueur, and the liqueur can add a little extra flavor as well. And of course, don't forget the tequila. I happen to have a few of those ingredients at home with me today. They will help me get that perfect balanced drink that I am looking for. And even if you don't have all of these ingredients, we'll give you a few workarounds. For today's recipe, we have Herradura reposado, orange liqueur, guava puree. Our preferred brand is Monin. However, you can also find it online and in grocery stores as a guava nectar. Cut limes, a little bit of lime juice, and of course salt if you prefer that on the rim of the glass. Since I do prefer salt on the rim, I'm going to take a pastry brush and just wipe just the outside of it just a little bit with lime juice. I'm going to roll it in kosher salt. Shake it just a little bit and it gives you your salt rim. Add 1.5 ounces of tequila, 3/4 ounces of orange liqueur, 1/2 ounce of guava puree or nectar, 3/4 ounces of lime juice to your cocktail shaker that's filled with ice. You're going to cap it, shake it. Once about 5 to 10 seconds has gone by, you're going to then strain it into your prepared glass. Now we like to add a little kick at Neiman's. We have a Q ginger beer as well too. It's a perfect complement to that Guavarita. Just on top, a little squeeze of lime, and next you've got your cheers for your virtual cocktail party. Look for this cocktail and many other new ones in Neiman Marcus restaurants in the very near future. And remember, we're all in this together. Show us how you and your circle are spending your time away. Please post and share your videos with the hashtag #NMTogether. We look forward to seeing you in the near future. Cheers.